Well, it was a very long night for the residents here in Townsville who were waiting and watching to see exactly what ex-tropical cyclone Kirrily would bring as she crossed the North Queensland coast. And of course, as we mentioned, that system, it did weaken as it made landfall overnight. But as you can see, there's still a big mess that has been left behind, which will take some time to clean up. Of course, the other concern was the widespread flooding and that heavy amount of rainfall which was forecast. But in good news, Townsville so far has been spared. That system this morning was downgraded to a tropical low and it has now moved across the state into the northwest. Now, there is a severe weather warning for many regional towns and communities out there who are right now receiving an absolute drenching. In Queensland's northwest, the swollen Etheridge River snaking through Georgetown as ex-tropical cyclone Kirrily brings much-needed rain.
Falls up over 100 mil upstream of us on quite a few of the rivers and creeks.
The system moved inland overnight, bringing steady rain to the northwest from early this morning. Further south in Hughenden, around 80 millimetres has fallen. The gutters are full and some dirt roads are cut and the Flinders River is flowing.
It's just beautiful, steady rain, no wind, just everything, all the good things you can get from a cyclone, we're getting. Except it hasn't gone far enough south yet.
In Richmond, they had been looking forward to the remnants of a cyclone.
I think really they'd like a couple 100 mil, but some more would probably be better, but not all at once.
Farmers today breathing a sigh of relief.
From what I can see on the outside, it doesn't look too bad, but most of the bigger stuff just fell over, but that it'll come back up again.
It was a pretty minor cyclone for us this time, so we got over it very, very lucky.
The north isn't out of the woods. The Weather Bureau warning minor to major riverine flooding is possible in coming days.
As that system continues to move, it has an extreme amount of moisture through the atmosphere with it and will produce heavy to intense rainfall and could lead to life-threatening flash flooding.
Help remains available in case it's needed.
We've also put ADF personnel and helicopters that are based in Townsville on standby.
While the west is receiving a drenching here in Townsville where the cyclone crossed, it's virtually dry. A couple of centimetres falling in home rain gauges at Saunders Beach in the suburb that felt the eye's impact.
Probably about 51, 52 mils.
And there was no storm surge, so that was good. It usually comes right up here, the storm surge.
David Fraser's awning was ripped off as Kirrily made landfall, the sheet of metal narrowly missing power lines.
It sort of just changed at 12, and the winds turned, Before that it was really calm. We thought the roof was coming off,
A small community thankful to be spared from an unusual cyclone. Anna McGraw, 7 News.